15 seconds after your salary hits your account, your brain already starts spending it, even before you even see the money. But what if I told you that there is a simple system you can apply every single payday that will lead you to true financial freedom? Would you believe it? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to invest, how to protect your money, and how to build wealth, even if you are starting from scratch. I will keep the video as short as possible so that you can watch it comfortably without getting bored. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will gladly answer them. Let's speak straight. Most people receive their salary, feel good and comfortable for a few days, and spend without thinking. Then, after 2 weeks pass, they look at their account and ask themselves, "Where did all my money go? What did I do that all my money is gone?" This is not failure or lack of money. This is simply a lack of system. It is failing to set up the right system for yourself and your financial situation. Wealthy people do not become wealthy just because they earn a lot. They have an automated routine, a routine that kicks in automatically as soon as the salary arrives. The good news is you can build the exact same system. Whether you earn $40,000 a year or $140,000 a year, this system works in both cases. First step, determine what percentage of your income goes to true necessities. Rent or mortgage, food, transportation, utility bills, these are necessities. Netflix, coffee bought outside every day, a new phone, and so on. These, however, are not necessities, they are choices. If more than 60% of your income goes to necessities, you are either living in a place that is too expensive or you are labeling your desires as necessities just to feel comfortable. Let's give an example. Suppose you earn $4,000 a month. House rent is $1,600, car or transportation is $400, and food is $600. Total is $2,600. This is 65% of your income. This is a warning signal. Either expenses need to be reduced or it is time to increase income. Second step, before spending even a single dollar on entertainment, make sure you pay all your debt payments on time. This does not mean closing all debt tomorrow. This means never missing a payment. Your credit score is your financial reputation. This score affects your mortgage interest rate, car loan terms, and sometimes even your approval for renting an apartment. A single missed payment can follow you for years. Is it boring? Yes, I hear what you are saying. Third step, perhaps one of the most important ones, is this: creating an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, or a health problem arises and an unexpected doctor expense comes up. An emergency fund means saving and keeping aside an amount of money equal to 3 to 6 times your monthly necessary expenses. This fund prevents a bad week from turning into a financial disaster. This is a measure taken in advance against any event that will happen in the future. If your monthly necessary expenses are $2,600, your emergency fund target should be between $7,800 and $15,600. Does it look like a lot? Actually, it is not a lot. You don't save it in 1 month. It accumulates slowly over time. And do not put this money into stocks or cryptocurrency. The purpose of this fund is not to bring you profit, but to give you peace of mind. Now let's move on to the part everyone is waiting for. How to invest and build real wealth. If your employer offers a 401k match, this is free money. Take it. If they match 3% and you earn $60,000 a year, contributing 3% means your employer puts an additional $1,800 into your account. This is an instant 100% return. No stock, no investment on earth provides this. After that, aim to direct about 10% of your total income into long-term investments. You can do this through a 401k, Roth IRA, or a taxable broker account. Let me tell you a number that will change your thinking. Someone who invests $300 a month at 25 years old and earns an average of 8% per year will have approximately $1 million at 65 years old. If you start the same $300 at 35 years old, you will get less than half of this number. Every year you wait is actually money you leave on the table. You do not need any complex strategy here. A simple low-cost index fund that tracks the total market is enough for most people. No picking stocks, no timing the market. There is only consistency, and time handles the rest. Once your retirement contributions and investments are on autopilot, start closing all remaining debts except the mortgage. There are two ways to close debts. The first is the avalanche method, paying the highest interest debt first. This is the method that saves the most money. The second method is the snowball method, paying the debt with the smallest balance first. This, however, keeps motivation alive. Both work. You just need to choose one and stay loyal to it. The last step, and honestly, the main step that makes everything happen, automate it. Willpower runs out. You might feel motivated on Monday, but when you are tired and stressed on Thursday, you will tell yourself, I will transfer the money next week. And next week, you will repeat the same thing. Therefore, set up automatic transfers on the day your salary hits your account. One to savings, one to the emergency fund, and one to investment. If you do this systematically, you will no longer have to think about anything. This will just happen on its own, like your rent money or your phone bill. There is something people forget. They do not change their transfers when their salary increases. When your salary increases, update your transfers too. Do not stay on autopilot with old numbers. This is not a complex system. It works because most people can never set up a system and follow it. Start seeing your salary not as money to spend in 2 weeks, but as a tool that builds your future, so that in the future, when everyone is thinking about the time they will retire, you retire yourself. Automate it, stay loyal to it, and 5 years later, while everyone is still asking, where did my money go? You will already be far ahead and comfortable. If this video was useful to you and gave you something to think about for your future, subscribe to my channel and press the like button so that more people can benefit. I am Winston. See you in the next video.